gentlemen, this is Spicy Lady Diary. This is all about our Sunset Cruise boat tour in St. Augustine, Florida. So it's a very unwind after a long day on the scenic Sunset Cruise. Very orangey,
Yes, so
very
lovely.
stunning.
Yes. Where are you from? I said
Philippines.
So was my daughter-in-law.
her daughter-in-law. Yes,
My
I wanted to say our grandchildren. Her grandchildren are beautiful children.
Oh my God.
So
Oh,
beautiful.
I'm so happy.
Yes.
Wow.
She's at Fort Bragg. Her
Aww.
husband's an officer
Military.
in the army, military. She was in the military.
They met in the army.
They met in the army.
And then she got out after she had her first son. And now she got a little girl.
Yeah, that's why I'm here also. I'm married to veterans, former U.S. Navy officer.
Oh, how
Yeah.
wonderful! How wonderful!
Yeah.
Well, I said, I'm going to ask her. I thought you were from the Philippines because
Salamat.
Carrie's got that beautiful black hair, and
Thank you.
little and petite, and just beautiful.
Wow, I'm so
Yeah.
happy. I'm happy to see you both.
Yes, it's so
Yes.
nice.
Wow, how beautiful is this? Wow. Wow, what a stunning sunset. Beautiful. Cheers.
Oh, that's so gorgeous. I love your little candle. That is cool.
Yeah, tripod.
Yes, I like that.
Then just focus.
Here she is. This is her and her picture.
Oh.
That is just, but she's beautiful.
That's the family. But this,
Isn't that
Say hi to
wonderful?
her.
Yeah, isn't she beautiful?
Oh my God. Oh, the baby is so
that's Ava.
Oh, regards from the Philippines.
Yes.
Both Hamita.
And I was trying to say we're both the kids.
Oh, you have a very beautiful baby, grandchild.
A little boy and little girl.
Aww.
There's Jace.
Oh my God,
Where do I have a little? That's her laughing.
oh my Lord.
Here's a picture with us holding him. Oh, he's still looking.
Oh my goodness.
Where's his little face with him looking up? He was eating
You have a
he was
beautiful child.
Thank you. He was eating popcorn for breakfast.
Wow.
I told my son, I'm like, you gave him popcorn? We were waiting to go have breakfast with family.
Aww.
He's eating popcorn.
That is precious. We need to get you some pictures.
Oh, I see
Very
his
beautiful baby, my goodness. Have a
Thank
great
you.
crunch. Oh my God, what a stunning sunset. Wow.
Wait, it's in the clear right here.
With this cocoa bomber ship. Oh. So pretty.
Yes, isn't that gorgeous?
This is perfect. Oh my goodness.
Three, two, one.
Just absolutely, day's sunset cruise was fantastic. Oh, the weather was great. The captain and co-captain were funny, nice and knowledgeable. My husband, of course, took me there, and of course, we are visiting from here in Panhandle, Florida, and me, I'm from the Philippines. Also use a half price deal using a coupon code, which was a great. So lots of dolphins on our tour. Also on a beautiful sunset. The music on board was perfect. Oh, and love the free champagne and strawberries too. Nice job, Florida Water Tours. We all have fun. Would highly recommend this company. Wow. See? Tour in St. Augustine, Florida. So it's a very unwinding unwind after a long day on the scenic sunset cruise in St. Augustine. Yeah, selecting Island Breeze option for those ages 7 and older. And we can bring our own beverages or select the Osprey Reserve for passengers. Wow, for a relaxing adult atmosphere, the Osprey option has an onboard bar with a
Nice sunset going there.
Just beautiful.
Whole squadron of pelicans off to the right.
And the
The
pelicans.
schooner ship Freedom make it into frame.
Oh yeah.
Captain Brian's got us lined up for the money shot, so get your cameras ready. See if we can do
Pelicans.
that. Birds and the boat.
We got it
The
all.
birds and the
Sunset.
boat.
And then way up there on the shore, about 1 o'clock off the boat, you can see our cross. The Great
Yes.
Cross here in St. Augustine.
that one, the
That marks
Great
the
Cross.
landing spot of the founder of our town, Pedro Menendez, in 1565. That makes St. Augustine the oldest continuous European settlement in what would become the United States of America. We are 42 years before Jamestown and 55 years before Plymouth. So that throws a little wrench right in your American history. Now, I'm not saying that what they told you was wrong. I'm just saying they left a few things out. Spanish actually showed up here first. And that Great Cross, that Great Cross was donated by the Catholic Church in 1965 to the city of St. Augustine to commemorate St. Augustine's 400th birthday.
So
So
stunning
speaking of
sunset.
birthdays, do we have any birthdays or anniversaries on board? Any celebrations?
Oh my God, so stunning as
It's
you
your
can.
birthday? Oh, hang on. All that thought. Oh, okay. Newlyweds back here. Congratulations. Well
Yoo-hoo!
done.
Congrats.
Yeah. Any other celebrations? The rest of you guys are just
Look at the sun, Mark. It's getting down.
the rest of us are celebrating life and being in Florida
Aww.
and enjoying this amazing
The photo bomber.
sunset.
Photo
Absolutely.
bomber.
Yeah,
The
no
ship. Hi, they're covering. They're covering us. Please, please. Oh my God. That's what we call a photo bomber. Wow. That is so stunning. Sunset Scenic Cruise had a fabulous time. Yeah, and made the cruise enjoyable, especially the captain and the co-captain. Love the music on board especially. So, we went on this tour with my husband as part of our relaxing day, and it was so amazing. We enjoyed every moment of the tour and were able to see the dolphins. Both tour guides were very informative, funny and down to earth. Ooh, they made sure that we were entertained and I knew a lot of. I would recommend anyone to this tour. This is something we plan on doing again with our other family. Wow, the dolphin safari in Florida water tours were very amazing, and we have really a great time. And of course, they are all awesome, fun, and very nice to watch. Beautiful views of St. Augustine as well as dolphins. Ooh, very friendly captain and co-captain. The trip around the Bay Area was so beautiful. Definitely a great start to a date night if you have a lover. Yeah. It's done. It's already sunsetting. It's very beautiful sunset. I really captured the whole footage. It's there. Wow, the cross. That's very orangey. No more. It's all gone.
We have seen a few little babies already
Yeah,
this
there's
season.
several.
One of our other
I
tour
see all the
guides
fins.
named the first baby Scooby.
Oh
So,
yeah, that's the
I
dolphin.
guess we're going
fin.
with the Scooby-Doo theme this year.
Yeah, that one. Oh,
Last year we had baby Sprinkle, baby Mushroom.
Like, oh,
is called the
dolphin. One,
dorsal
two,
fin. The
three.
dorsal fin is unique to every dolphin. It's
Wow,
kind of like a
that's a
human being's
dolphin.
fingerprint. So yeah, we get researchers and scientists who come out here with super cameras. They zoom in on their dorsal fin and take pictures, and they can identify the dolphin by looking at those up close zoomed in pictures. Now we do that too to a certain extent. Obviously we don't study zoomed in up close pictures, but there are some dolphins around here with some pretty distinct dorsal fins. One of them is over here. She's missing the tip of her dorsal fin. So the guys call her Tippy because they're geniuses at one that it looks as though she actually had a boat strike on her fin. It's sliced down a little bit, so we call her Slice.